Hi, this is just a little quick talk about kind of this shelf and, well, everything about it. So first of all, this shelf was designed for the Prusa modular shelving contest. And as you can see, it's fairly modular. This here is kind of a kit bash of a few different iterations. If you actually see here, the sizes of these are a little different for each other. And I've made a few other improvements, like for instance, actually making it so that these little corners here, one second, just have to drop you down. Actually making it so that these little corners here that slot into these holes actually have little, well, are a little chamfered, so hopefully it'll be a little bit easier for you guys. I also kind of been messing around with the length of the pieces that hold these together. As you can see, these just slot in pretty easy to get in and out. Now this is just, hopefully these tolerances will work for you guys as well with it. It's kind of off of a Ender 3 of silliness and stupidity, and it's also very much printing in draft mode. But I kind of designed it that way. This way you guys can just print super quickly, just throw it out there. Yeah. This shelf here is a little bit stuck. This is most likely because I had it at a slightly different height. Anyways, thanks kind of for watching this. To actually build this shelf, you just assemble the pieces. It's really just simple. There's little connecting pieces that have it so everything sits together. I also have a few other accessory pieces that I have added for these. That should also be in the files. But other than that, it's really just whatever you want to make with it. Now with the connectors, you can connect ones of different sizes. Like, for instance, I can connect one that's that's bigger this way. The only disadvantage is it doesn't connect back to here. The reason why I just didn't do that is, well, if you really need that strong of a connection, super glue's your answer. And I've designed these pillars and stuff with enough clearance so that you can super glue it in if you need something super strong, and the shelves just stay in place based upon the simple just sliding motion here, the walls, and the roof. Anyways, thank you for watching, and, well, I hope you found this project pretty cool.